Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw invoices from QuickBooks into Zapier automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your QuickBooks dashboard. Navigate to the Invoices section on the left-hand sidebar. Select the invoice that you want to withdraw. Take note of the invoice details, including the invoice number and amount. Now, open a new tab in your browser and log into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap in the top right corner. Search for QuickBooks Online in the app search bar. Choose New Invoice as the trigger event. Connect your QuickBooks account by clicking on the Sign In to QuickBooks button. Authorize Zapier to access your QuickBooks data. Select the specific QuickBooks account you would like to use. Test the trigger to ensure it successfully pulls in your invoice data. Now, move to that action step by clicking on Add a Step. In the app search bar, type Zapier to explore available actions. Select the action you want, such as Create Spreadsheet Row or Send Email. Follow the prompts to connect the relevant app to your Zap. Map the required fields from the QuickBooks invoice to the action fields. Review your setup to ensure all information is correctly linked. Click on Test and Review to confirm everything is working. Once satisfied with the results, turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the top. Congratulations, you've successfully set up automation to withdraw invoices from QuickBooks into your desired application using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.